It was a thirsty night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So today I am going to be cleaning up my kitchen because it's a total disaster area. I must say the kids did do their job. They loaded the dishwasher and I was supposed to take care of a few other things, and then I realised I had no dishwasher tablets. So I need to take everything out of the dishwasher, wash it by hand, dry it, put it away, plus clean up the rest of the mess that's left in the kitchen. If you like my video, please consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Also comment down below if you have any questions. And I'm going to turn the camera around so we can see what we're working with. So this isn't too bad. Gets worse. And then it gets really bad. So, let's get into it.
Without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe.
I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all in my fitness. I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all in my fitness. My chain dancing, my head big, my top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy. You see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These out here going broke, tryna do this that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex. Never leave lifelines. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. That that I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision hazy, know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas, finna go fill up a stash. I'm on a mission, my palm just be itching, man. I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of peppers, and all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm tryna get it, man. It's to the point I ain't feeling no loss. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. Ocean under this dad hat, it ain't me that you mad at. I ain't trippin', bruh, had that, cause he don't know I done had that. My bucket list got check marks, my denim pocket got stretch marks. My neighbors swear that I'm hustling, like might as well, bruh, fuck it then. I might whip around the city like a Uber. God on watching me and my maneuvers. Why you capping, bruh, you not a shooter. She gon' give me brain, think I got a tutor. I been too clean for the dirty looks. Piling paper thick as 30 books. Shawty fine as at 27. I can't wait to see how dirty looks. I been out of pocket like loose change. Ride around like Bruce Wayne. Still hot as that blue flame. I might buy the block with my boot thing. Yeah, them squares in your circle, you out of shape. My city think that I got a K. All of this smoking can't get me a job, but that's just a risk that I gotta take. I'm a rock star, baby. Feel like I'm Chuck Berry in my Sway Sperry. I'm a pop star, baby. Feel like I'm Steve Perry hitting Holly Berries, and it's kinda scary all the power you got when you really be knowing yourself. Know that they cannot control me or hold me, cause lately I barely got hold of myself. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it up.
So I completely forgot I had this. I have used it before and I didn't really like it that much, but if it saves me from having to hand wash all of this, then I'm going to give it a try.
It was the last drink, but I don't want to leave. I want to get closer, don't want this night to be over. Closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Enjoyed the video, guys. I will be doing an extra upload this week. It'll be on Friday at 10 p.m. It's a collab video, which I'm really excited about. Please make sure your bell notification is on so you don't miss it. I hope this video has given you heaps of motivation to do whatever you need to do. If not, I'll put some more up in the corner there. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Yes,